The Laura Raqqa linen collection is about pushing Syrian traditional motifs forward, starting with the eastern Qalamoun mountains with the Thracian influence embroidery. In addition to swirl-like embroidery that represents mother-of-pearl inlay, which is dear to all Syrians' heart. The Umayyad infinity marble motif, washed in gold, which once adorned the interior of the Umayyad mosque, reintroduced by Baybars al-Malik al-Zahir's sister when she built his mausoleum in Old Damascus. The one and only extraordinary Mamluk military general who defeated the Crusaders once and for all and became supreme sultan and king of Syria. The extinct Hama geometric Palengi dye textile celebrated in embroidered thread, and the goddess motif that adorns the Sarakib dress in pairs on the shoulders. The embroidery provides an income for the Raqqa women and familiarizes the new generation with our motifs. Inside Syria and scattered all over the world. For more information on the shown motifs, the mythology, and their meanings, please refer to my videos on this channel.